You are already familiar with the Pythagoras theorem from your earlier classes. You had verified this theorem through some activities and made use of this in solving certain problems. Now we shall prove this theorem using concept of similarity of triangles. Now what is the Pythagoras theorem statement? In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse in right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So what is the statement? In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So first draw the figure. For any theorem, we have to draw the figure first. So the triangle is a right angle triangle. It is a triangle ABC, right angle at B, in a right angle triangle. So what is given? In triangle ABC, right angle at B, so angle B is equal to 90 degrees. The square of hypotenuse, what is to prove? The square of hypotenuse. Here what is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. That means AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here what are the other two sides? AB and BC are the other two sides. That means what you have to prove? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So to prove square of hypotenuse is equal to, that is AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. Here we need to do one construction. That construction is draw BD perpendicular to AC. Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now we are going to prove this theorem by similarity concept. So that means you have to prove, you have to use similarity concepts. So prove that first this is a triangle 1 and this is a triangle 2. Now consider triangle ADB and ABC. In these two triangles, what are the equal angles in triangle ADB and ABC? For ADB triangle and ABC triangle, angle A is the common part and angle ADB is 90 degrees, angle ABC is 90 degrees. So consider the triangles ABD in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Next, angle ADB is equal to, angle ADB is the ADB part and angle ABC is the ABC triangle part. Each angle 90 degrees. So two parts are equal. By AA similarity, this triangle ADB and triangle ABC are similar. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC, which similarity? AA similarity. The two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are proportion. Then you can write AD by AB, DB by BC, AB by AC, AB by AC, AC, corresponding sides of similar triangles. That is, sides are proportional. Sorry. So from this one, but here, what is the our to prove part? AB square, BC square. So when will you get AB square? By taking these two sides, we'll get AB square. So I'm considering this one, AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. Do the cross multiplication. AB into AB, AB square is equal to AD into AC, AD into AC. So that is equation 1. Next, consider the triangle CDB and CBA. Consider triangle CDB and CBA. In these two triangles, angle C is common. At D, angle 90, ABC is 90. Consider the triangles CDB and in triangle CDB and triangle CBA, angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Angle CDB is equal to angle CAB. Sorry, CDB is equal to CBA. CBA. Each angle 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle CDB is similar to triangle CBA by AA similarity. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Then CD by CB is equal to CD by CB is equal to DB by BA, DB by BA is equal to CB by CA, CB by CA. Here we have to take BC square. So when we will get the BC square? By taking these two sides, that is CD by CB is equal to CB by CA. Cross multiplication, CB, BC both are same. CB into CB, CB square, that is BC square. That is AC into CD, AC into CD. This is equation 2. By adding the equation 1 and 2, this is equation 1, AB square is equal to AD into AC. Equation 2 is BC square is equal to AC into CD. Equation 1 plus 2. One plus 2. So what is the equation 1? AB square is equal to AD into AC. Here LHS part is BC square, AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus equation 2 RHS part AC into CD. AC into CD. Here AC common, you can take AC common. If you take AC common, AD plus CD, AC, AD plus CD from the figure, AD plus CD is equal to AC. So AC into AC square. So AB square is plus BC square is equal to AC square. So this is our required to prove. Our proof is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So you got here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Hence prove, Pythagoras theorem prove, square of hypotenuse is equal to AC square. Sum of the squares of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Now we will do the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now see the converse of Pythagoras theorem statement. In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So what is the statement? In a triangle, square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. So consider a triangle. So it is a triangle ABC, square of one side. That means if you consider AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then the angle opposite to the first side. Here what is our first side? AC. So the angle opposite to the first side is angle B. Is right angle. You have to show angle B is 90 degrees. So what is given? In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Square of one side equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Then what you have to prove? The angle opposite to the first side. The opposite angle of first side is angle B. To prove, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Right angle means that is 90 degrees. Here we have to do some construction. That construction part is, here construction is very important. Draw a triangle PQR. Right angle at Q. Such that PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So draw a triangle PQR. Right angle at Q. So this is right angle at Q such that AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. These two are equal. BC is equal to QR. So what is the construction? Draw a triangle PQR, right angle at Q, such that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR. Now see the proof. So what is given? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square given. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is given. In triangle ABC, this is in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square given. Now consider triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 90, our construction. Angle Q is equal to 90. Angle Q 90 means this is right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle PQR, what will you get? PR square is equal to hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So that is PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. But what is our construction part? PQ is equal to AB. But PQ is equal to AB. BC is equal to QR. So substitute these two in the equation. In this equation, then what will you get? PR square is equal to, in the place of PQ, AB square. In the place of QR, we can add BC square. So this equation 2, this equation 1. From equation 1 and 2, here RHS part is AB square plus BC square. Here the RHS part is AB square plus BC square. Both RHS parts are equal, so we can make the LHS parts are equal. That is AC square is equal to PR square. That implies we can write AC is equal to PR. So this equation 3. Now prove that these two triangles are congruent. If you show these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. We can take angle B is equal to angle Q. So then automatically Q is 90. We can show B 90. Then how to show these two triangles are congruent? From construction, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR. Just now we proved AC is equal to PR. AC is equal to PR. By SSS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Now write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR. For these two, reason construction. Next, AC is equal to PR, proved from equation 3. So by SSS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. SSS congruency. If two triangles are congruent, all the corresponding parts are equal. Then angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle B also 90 degrees. This is our required to prove. The angle opposite to first side, that is angle B. Angle B is 90 degrees. Then we can say that the triangle ABC is right triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is right triangle. So, what is the statement? In a triangle, if square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. So, angle B is 90. That we prove. We can apply this Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem in many sums. We'll discuss in the next class the application part of Pythagoras and converse of Pythagoras. Next class we'll discuss application part.